Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Today on the workbench we have this 1978 Puch Magnum. And it's seen better days, as you can see, but this is going to probably be a multi-video series on this rebuild. And today we're just going to go ahead and take it apart down to the frame. And so just follow me. And this is not a how-to, more of a just follow me through this journey. So here we go. So for the most part, all these controls I'm not going to be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these away because I'm not going to reuse them. So cut that. This. Okay. Remove that. All these controls gotta go. There we go. Alright. That can go. Take this apart. There we go. There we go. Loosen it up. Right. Okay, let's take these bars off. Why use man drills when you got power tools? Alright. Okay. Out comes this guy. Okay, before we start taking it all apart, let's take the accessories off. So it's much lighter to work with. Just put these back there for safekeeping. So we don't forget where things go. So if you're wondering, brown was on the outside and black yellow was on the center. Okay, so this is a 13. Yep. Alright. Figure that out later. And this big bad boy right here is 30. Put this to the side. Okay, before we drop these forwards, we need to remove all the electrical out of the way so nothing gets hung up. I'm not trying to cut it. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty freed up. Alright, on to the next part. Okay, so let's line up these forks. The WD-40. We loosen these. Oh look, this is a different size. Nice. Probably a 19. Perfect. Okay. Oh, there go those balls. Okay. Perfect. Alright. I can tell off the bat this thing's missing a lot of bearings. Nice. Okay, let's see. There we go. forks removed. Just back here, but then this is all janky. I'm pretty sure this seat is probably broken on the inside. But I'm gonna get rid of all this. Got it. This is an 11 Audis. These side ones on the shocks should be a 13. Comes this, bam. One. Two. The other side. That one's broken. And 3. Okay. Boom. Into the pile it goes. Alright. Little connector here. Ground connection. But here we go. Tank's off. Cool. Coming out. Into the pile it goes. Alright, so we just keep this assembling. Not a 12. Maybe a 13? Oop, 13. Alright, we got there for now. Let's take this chain off. This looks a little weird. There we go. Chain off. This is definitely trash. Into the trash pile it goes. Okay. I'll take the next chain off. Into the trash pile it goes. Okay. 19 for sure. We'll clean this bad boy up first. Cool. Alright. Should be at 19. There you go. Out she comes. Okay, before I take this tire off, I gotta make sure I'm supporting the actual frame because it's gonna want to fall down. So once the frame is supported, now we can remove this tire into the no longer gonna be needed pile. Put this back so we don't lose it though. Yeah. Okay. Back you go, girl. Okay, now we gotta remove this right here. Okay. Remove these. Out it comes. Last thing to do now, I would think, is to remove the engine, and we're almost done. One more items to remove before we can drop it. Let's cut this off. And it goes bye-bye into the trash pile. Disconnect this. Honestly, that came out way too easy. That's probably a bad spot. Alright, remove the coil. It's an 8mm. Put this back so we don't lose it. Okay, this bracket comes off. This right here. Okay, and that should be it. We're just going to drop the engine. That is probably a 13. Yep, 13 it is. Okay, all the bolts are off, and I think it's free. There we go. Ooh, what is that? Oh, some grounds we gotta remove, looks like. Okay. Alright. Boom. Nope, that wasn't it. Okay, let's see. Boom. And there it goes, and free she is. All right, there we go.